Let's be real, most of us have typed something into ChatGPT, clicked enter, and then got a mediocre answer that made us think, okay, AI is dumb. But here's the truth, most of the time it's not the AI, it's the prompt. That's where Promptessor comes in. It's like a grammar checker, but instead of just fixing your commas, it fixes your entire approach, so AI actually gives you what you want. Promptessor is an AI-powered prompt analysis and optimization tool designed for anyone who wants consistent results from AI, whether you're writing for content creation, product development, coding, or research. It's like having a mentor looking over your shoulder saying, you could ask this better, except this mentor works 24/7, never charges by the hour, and doesn't sigh loudly when you make mistakes. So before we dive into the features, let's see what users are saying about it. On Product Hunt, Promptessor is sitting at a perfect 5-star rating from early adopters. Reviewers mention things like, my prompts finally sound consistent and this saves me hours every week. One user even pointed out that before Promptessor, their AI-generated marketing copy sounded generic, but after optimization, they were able to hit a brand's tone exactly without endless trial and error. The fact that this is resonating with professionals across different industries says a lot. It's not just a toy, it's a workflow upgrade. So now let's discuss the core features of it one by one. So begin by typing your prompt into the editor. For example, write me a blog post about fitness. So once you click Analyze Prompt, Promptessor goes beyond simply reading your text. It breaks your prompt down into multiple layers, evaluating clarity, tone, specificity, word choice, and even potential bias or ambiguity. You'll get a comprehensive report that points out where your prompt is strong and where it might fall short. For example, if your prompt is too broad, Promptessor will suggest ways to make it more targeted, like adding a word count, audience type, or style preferences. And if it's too complex, it'll show you how to simplify it better for AI understanding. So simply click on Analyze Prompt, and that's the end of feature 1. Now let's move on to feature number 2. So once you have clicked Analyze Prompt, Promptessor gives you a prompt analysis score, for example, 52 by 100. This score isn't just a random grade, it's a reflection of how well structured and detailed your prompt is based on best practices for clarity, SEO, audience targeting, and output quality. You'll then see a detailed analysis breaking your prompt into 3 sections. Strength, it highlights what's already working, for example, in our sample prompt. Write me a blog post about fitness. The analysis praises the clear intent, short format, and open-ended flexibility for creative ideas. Areas of improvement pinpoints exactly what's missing, like a defined audience, purpose, call to action, SEO keywords, or formatting requirements. Optimized prompt variations provides ready-to-use improved versions of your prompt that fill in the gaps. The optimized prompt also includes tone and style guidance, structure, SEO keywords, and density targets, specific content requirements, formatting instructions, extras. This way, you're not just told what's wrong, you're given a fully optimized, copy-paste ready prompt that will yield richer, more relevant, and higher quality AI output in one go. So that's the end of feature number 2. Now let's move on to feature number 3. After the prompt analysis, you'll see strategic improvements, a section that transforms your original idea into a ready-to-publish audience-targeted brief. This enhanced version is designed to boost results across measurable dimensions like word count and output size, ensuring the content is complete and detailed, target audience relevance, tailoring tone, style, and examples to the right readers, SEO readiness, including keywords, meta descriptions, and optimization tips, structured formatting, improving readability through headings, bullets, and flow, persuasive elements, adding calls to action and lead magnets where needed, credibility boost, suggesting citations or reputable sources to build trust. It strikes the perfect balance between creative freedom and clear constraints. So whether a human writer or AI generates your content, the outcome is predictable, high quality, and engagement ready. So those were some of the core features. Now let's see who benefits the most using it. This tool is a game changer for marketers who need consistent brand messaging, content creators who want AI to nail their tone every time, educators writing structured lesson prompts, prompt engineers who need data-backed improvements, and even developers who use AI to generate code or documentation. But since no tool is perfect, so here's where I think Promptessor could level up: a collaboration feature for team prompt sharing, integration with AI platforms like Midjourney, Jasper, or Notion, multilingual optimization for international teams. These would make it even more powerful for businesses. There's no affiliate program or public API yet, but if you're interested, reach out to the team. Given how useful this is, I wouldn't be surprised if both arrive soon. So AI is only as good as the instructions you give it. Promptessor doesn't just clean up your prompt, it trains you to think like an AI whisperer. If you want better AI results faster without banging your head against vague answers, this is worth every penny. I'm keeping it in my daily toolkit, so grab the link below, try Promptessor, and post your before and after prompts in the comments. So that's the end of today's review. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.